So this is going to be the first lesson, and there's 4 different exercises to work on for this lesson. I'm going to show you the exercises, and what I want you to do is to spend 2, maybe 3 minutes every day on each of the 4 exercises. So here's the first one. So one of the things we need to be able to do to sweep pick is to have the pick fluently move through the strings with no problems, no hesitation, no stopping. So first exercise, you're going to hold your pick, first finger and thumb. You place it on the 4th string there. You see it's on the 4th string. And you're just going to push the pick through to the next string. It's going to sound totally rubbish, totally naff, whatever, just do it. And you let the next string catch the pick. Just like that. That's exercise 1. Exercise 2, similar idea, but now we're going to spend 3, maybe even 4 seconds letting the pick cross the space between the strings. So place the pick on the string, let the string take the weight of the pick. We push through, we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So the pick takes 3 seconds to cross from one string to the next, and it never stops moving. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Just like that. Most of the motion for this should come from your arm, so you don't go through like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. You push your arm through like this. Now the tricky thing with this will be you'll be tempted, as when the pick goes through the string, just to fly out of control straight into the next one, or to go halfway across and then you stop it and slow it down. The hardest thing with this is to get the pick so the motion remains constant all the time between those strings. You can get the hang of that one thing, the rest of this will be a lot easier. Exercise 3. We're going to take a basic diagonal shape, starting with the little finger on fret 15 on the 4th string. The 3rd finger will go on fret 14 on the 3rd string. 2nd finger will be on fret 13 on the 2nd string. And your 1st finger will be on fret 12 on the 1st string. There's diagrams and tabs for this below. Everything's spelled out for you down just below the video. So I'm going to place the little finger, so our shape is going to be like that. So little finger starts on fret 15 on the 4th string. Pick is sitting on the 4th string. And we're going to count 1, pick through, 2, we lift this little finger off, 3, we place the next finger on. So we pick on 1, lift off on 2, place the finger on the next string on the 3. We're doing this nice and slowly so that we can start coordinating the right and the left hand. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Again, this exercise sounds completely rubbish, but it's meant to. One more time. 1, pick through, 2, lift off, 3, place the next finger on. 1, pick through, 2, lift off, 3, place the next finger on. 1, pick through, 2, lift off, 3, place the next finger on. Just like that. So exercise 4, we're going to do something very similar to exercise 3 and sort of combine it with exercise 2. So we have that 1, 2, 3 routine, we're going to add an extra step into it. So 1, we pick through, 2, the string pick keeps moving to the next string, 3, we lift off, 4 we place on. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 we pick through, 2 the pick is still moving, 3 we lift the finger off, 4 we place the next finger on the next string. You have 1, 2, see there the pick slowly moves across the strings, 3 we lift that finger off, 4 we place the next finger on, 1, 2, 3 we lift the finger off, 4 we place the next finger on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that.